Good morning! Baon time. Let's do this! So for today, Baba will be having hot dogs and eggs. Tapos some desserts or sweets na lang. Yan. Para bubukan na lang yan siya. Heart shape. Sobrang love ni Baba tong hot dogs. Kaya yung mga natirang hot dogs ngayon, isasama ko na lang siya sa scrambled eggs. Ayan, magiging ganito yung itsura ng octopus. Tapos lalagyan ko na lang na ice. Done with Baba's baon. Here's his baon for today. So I got him rice, some hot dogs, yan, heart hot dogs and octopus hot dogs, then banana for his fruits, and some small Oreos or mini Oreos for today. So now that I'm done with Baba's baon, kami naman, magpe-prepare na ako kasi after namin siyang ihatid, meron naman kaming lunch date with Mins. So, bye!